Hi there, in this video, you know how to change color of grass in Photoshop. First, click to the adjustment icon, select solid color. Choose the color that you want to apply. As for me, I think it will look great if I change to warm tone. Orange is such a good option in this case. Change blend mode from normal to soft light. Create a hue saturation adjustment layer. In this window, there are three channels: hue, saturation, and lightness. In hue channel, hue is another word of color. It means you can change the color. Saturation is the intensity or purity of a hue. And for lightness value is the relative degree of black or white mixed with given hue. When you're satisfied with the result, close it. Put two first layers into group and add layer mask to it. We only need to change the color of grass, not the model, right? Pick a brush tool, be shortcut. Ensure foreground is black to hide the effect. Adjust the opacity into half and paint on the model to bring back the original color of her skin. Just that. Have fun with the technique and thanks a lot for watching this tutorial. Bye bye.